This short video will review unpacking, installing, and refilling the 70WM1 Torx Single Fold Hand Towel Dispenser. You'll need to have on hand the following: a tape measure, 4 screws, 4 anchors, a pencil, a level, and a drill. Each Torx 70WM1 dispenser comes individually packed with 1 key and a hardware packet for installation. Be sure to remove the key before installing the dispenser. First, determine the best mounting location of the unit on the mounting surface. Be sure to follow ADA guidelines. Use your level to ensure it's positioned correctly. This will help ensure proper dispensing. The back of the dispenser has 4 horizontal slots. It's recommended to use at least 4 fasteners to properly secure the dispenser to the mounting surface. If there's a pre-existing hole pattern on the mounting surface, you may choose to reuse any of those holes that may work. Use a pencil or marker to mark the locations for holes where the drilling may be necessary. Use the correct sized drill bit to drill holes based upon the size fastener required. Insert the wall anchors into the holes. Fasten the dispenser using the mounting hardware and complete the installation. To fill the dispenser after mounting, insert the key located on the top of the dispenser and push down to open the cover. Insert a stack of Torx Universal Single Fold Hand Towels up to 450 towels and make sure the folded side of the towel faces down. Close the cover and your dispenser is now ready for use.